Enable biometric services in Windows 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily enable the biometric services on your Windows 11. So sadly, I'm going to show you from Windows 10, but the process is similar for both of the Windows. So what you can do is first just head over to your search bar, and once you're inside your search bar, just type in for services. So once you're inside, head over to your services section, just wait for a few seconds and just locate the Windows biometric service. So once you locate Windows biometric service, as you can see, since I'm using Windows 10 and my device doesn't support biometric, so I can't show you that, but you should be locating Windows biometric services right over here. So once you locate Windows biometric services, simply options just like this, or you can just double click on it, or you can just right click and head over to its properties just like this. So let me just show you an example. So if it's your Windows biometric services, just click on right click on it and head over to your properties, its properties, and once you're inside here, just make sure its startup type is on set on automatic, and once you do that, just click on start and click on apply and click on OK. And once you do all of that, just make sure you restart your computer and the effects will take place, and you will have successfully enabled the biometric services. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.